Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 connection failed. If you want to fix it, first click here and then go to control panel and then click view advanced click view network status and tasks, and now you will find here internet or Wi-Fi. Click on it, then click properties, protocol, internet version 4, and then change settings. Just copy my settings, select the second one and put those numbers here, and then close it. After that, disable it and then go to change advanced settings, change the adapter settings, and you will find it here. Right click and enable it, and after that your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If that doesn't fix it, just try to restart your PC, and I hope that can help you. See you in the next video.